Hey everyone, Adam here at FastCap. We have our brand new micro trim screws, 2 inches in length. If you compare it to our power head screw, the head is much smaller. We also have a coarse thread going to a progressively fine pitch thread here, which is good for driving screws into material with a thin veneer or where you're worried about blowout. It's also great because it will leave a very small hole in your material as opposed to this, which will leave a larger hole in your material. Here's what will happen when you do trim. You know, you'll put a nail here and a nail here and it will hold pretty decent. And then sometimes you'll get vertical trim, and what tends to happen is it will pull away from the wall. Now right here they only have one nail, and if you come in and look right here, you can see on this side over here where it's separating from the wall and you have a gap. So a nail isn't going to fix that because it doesn't have enough pulling power. What we need is a screw. We need the micro trim screw. So we're going to put a micro trim screw in here and suck that in. Also makes the micro trim screw great is not only the holding power compared to a nail, but look how tiny you have to fill in. It's the same size or close to the same size as a nail head. So it's easy to fill in. You can countersink it, and it has tremendous holding power. So sometimes you want to do a miter joint and you want to be very discreet in your fasteners. You don't want your fasteners to show. So here's our micro trim screw, and what I did is I just did it fairly flush with the wood. I'm going to drive it in on the other side over here, and you can see how I can sink that in a little putty and it will go away. You're going to love this product. You'll find it at FastCap.